What if I told you I haven't answered a single lead message in weeks and we're still booking solid landscaping jobs every single week in our business? No, this is not us hiring a virtual assistant to do that or an agency to take care of all of it for us. This is actually implementing artificial intelligence in our business to work 24/7. In today's video, I'm going to be giving you the step-by-step process of how we use AI in our business to help us from doing the marketing and getting those leads to booking that lead in our calendar and having our manager go out to the lead's property to provide an estimate and get that sale booked. If you're new to my channel, my name is Andrea and I own a home service business as well as an AI and automations business. And no, I didn't get into AI because I wanted to build this huge tech company. I got into AI because I was completely burned out, exhausted, and overwhelmed from the amount of work that we had in our home service business. My husband was actually working more than 80-hour weeks. We had our 2 kids under 2, barely had any patience for them. I was completely exhausted because I was dealing with the kids at the same time. We were both trying to take the phone calls, respond to text messages, emails, chase customers that weren't paying their past due invoices, dealing with the crews that had a bunch of complaints and a bunch of issues to deal with, and you name it, we were doing it all. And it was completely exhausting. And that's what led me to focus 100% on AI and automations so that I could learn everything that I needed to know and be able to implement clear and strategic systems in our business that would actually free our time so we could focus on the things that actually generate more revenue and not on the little to-dos that you have every single day that don't actually move the needle in your business. Now, let me be blunt. Most service businesses are exactly the way we were before. As owners, we were working 60-hour weeks, but we were working on 10-hour tasks that wouldn't allow us to grow the business, and we were complaining because we weren't making as much money as we wanted to make on a monthly basis. Does that sound familiar? You're running around checking jobs just to make sure your crew is doing the right thing. You're replying to messages from leads. You're posting random Instagram pictures, trying to get more leads. And this doesn't seem to work as well as you expected. And here's the truth. If you're the one chasing the leads and you're the one doing it all in your business, you don't really own a business. You actually own a job. Now, marketing isn't about posting ads. Marketing is about creating a predictable and automated system that can actually get leads for you, qualify those leads for you, book them in your system for your sales representative to go out to the property, and then follow up on that estimate that you sent out. And having all of this work without you having to actually do all the work. If it works without you, then anybody would love to have a company like that. Now, let me break it down for you. My landscaping business runs off an AI marketing agent that uses 4 core automations to ensure that our marketing is predictable and automated, as I mentioned before. Now, let me share with you exactly how our marketing system works. Let's go into step number 1, which is getting that lead for our business. And so we have 2 ways that we get that lead. The first way is that we have an AI voice agent that actually makes outbound calls and sends email to potential property management companies, HOAs, or even homeowners that may be interested in our landscaping services that are our specific target customer. And the second way that we use AI to get those leads is we actually have AI create and generate images or videos for us that we can actually use in Google Ads. It also generates the headlines and descriptions for us, so all the information that we need to create a new ad for Google Ads, we can actually get it from our artificial intelligence agent. Now, once that lead is actually interested in our services, we send it over to step number 2, and that's going to be booking that appointment in our manager's calendar. And so the way we do this is in 2 different ways. So if the customer is on the phone and they're interested in our services, we will send it over to our AI voice agent. And our AI voice agent will be able to answer any frequently asked questions or anything that is related to the service that the customer is looking to get. And on top of that, it's going to gather all the information from the customer to ensure that they're actually a qualified lead and to ensure that we can actually go out to their property and provide an estimate for the services that they're looking for. It's going to get things like first name, last name, phone number, email address, the property address. It's going to get more information on the exact project or the service that they're looking to get with their company. And then it's going to assign that specific estimate request directly onto our manager. And so it's going to appear in our manager's calendar. And this whole process has been done without any human intervention at this point. Then our manager will go out to the actual lead's property. He will do a walkthrough and provide an actual estimate for the services that the customer or the prospect is looking to get. Now, the AI customer service agent that I mentioned that answers phone calls is also able to answer emails and answer text messages. And so if the lead decides to send a text message instead of calling our business, the AI agent is able to respond and do exactly the same thing to ensure that that lead gets booked in our manager's calendar. Now, once we have sent over the estimate, we're going to go to step number 3, and that's going to be following up on the estimate. And that's where most businesses lose the most money because they don't actually follow up. They already went out to the property. They probably did, the whole walkthrough and everything, and they're not following up. And so people, they just kind of forget, or they, we have so many things going on every single day, every single person. And so it's easy to kind of like miss things that you still have on your plate that you want to get done. And so it's great that if you follow up and you put a great follow-up system in place, it's actually more likely that you're going to get those jobs booked. Once we have already followed up with that job and we have secured it and we have made the sale, we then go out, complete the job, and then it's time to go on to step number 4. And the way step number 4 works is we send an automated text message to every single customer after the job has already been completed. And the text message is asking the customer to let us know how their service was. We want to know if they're satisfied with the service. If they are satisfied with the service, it's going to send them over to Google and it's going to ask them, give us a Google review. Now, it's so important to collect Google reviews because the more positive reviews you have, the more trust you build among your customers or potential leads. And so that actually gets you more jobs and more sales. Now that I explained to you the step-by-step process of how our marketing system works, I want to tell you exactly the tools that we use to ensure that the system actually works. And so in step number 1, when we're actually getting those leads, we're using Retail AI as our voice agent to make those outbound calls for us. And we're connecting it using Make, which is an automations platform that allows us to give all the information over to our Retail AI agent so that our voice agent, again, Retail AI, knows exactly who to call and what to say. We're also using ChatGPT and we're using Runway ML to create those automated headlines, descriptions, images, and videos of the advertisement that we're going to be publishing on Google. So for step number 2, we have a trained AI voice agent that uses OpenAI to respond to frequently asked questions. We train it so that it knows exactly what to answer to the lead in every specific scenario. It's going to answer our customer phone calls. It knows exactly what to say. And the Retail AI agent, once it grabs all the information from the lead that he has on the phone or that he has gathered all the information from via text message, it's going to gather that information, and using Make.com, it's going to send it over to our CRM, and it's going to get booked using our CRM directly in our manager's calendar. Now, in step number 3, the way we're following up with every single quote that we have actually sent to our customers, we use our CRM, and it allows us to create automated emails and automated text messages to be sent to our customers after we have already sent over the quote. If you have a CRM that doesn't allow you to do this, you can easily create this using Make.com. You can create an automation that once an estimate has already been sent, you then send a text message or an email using connecting Twilio if you want to send a text message, or Gmail if you want to send an email as a follow-up. Now in step number 4, we're using again Make.com and our CRM to ensure that we trigger an automation to start whenever the crew has completed a job. So if the crew has completed the job at that person's property, Make is aware of it, and Make then sends a text message to that particular customer asking them for feedback, sending over that link that will then take them over to our Google business to ensure that they provide a review. Now, before we put the system in place, we were actually doing everything by ourselves. Like I said, we were doing the follow-ups, and obviously when you're sending a bunch of quotes, you forget to follow up on them if you have to do it manually. If you're not getting enough leads, then you're not able to even send quotes, so you're not closing as many jobs as you would really want to be closing. AI can literally do all of this for you and more. So make sure you implement AI in your business today, because it's really going to be saving you hours and hours every single week, and your revenue is going to increase drastically. Guys, we went from $15,000 of recurring revenue to $40,000 of recurring revenue. Now, this is not even taking into consideration one-time jobs that actually increase our revenue even more. I no longer work in our landscaping company. My husband handles all of that, but he's able to work less than 5 hours every single week. He's only managing the operations, making sure that our manager is actually focused on the right task, because everything that we've learned, we're trying to pass it on to him so he can actually grow the business, and we can all focus on the right tasks to ensure that the business is able to grow and we can actually expand it. Our clients are also extremely happy because they love how fast we respond. They're getting their questions answered automatically. They're able to call and know exactly when their next service date is, and we know exactly when they're satisfied and when we need to actually improve on something. Now, you can start with just one thing, and that's by implementing ChatGPT into your business to help you reply to emails faster. ChatGPT can help you draft that response in a matter of seconds, and you don't even have to take time out of your day. It will save you at least 5 hours every single week just by implementing ChatGPT into everything that you do in your business today. Now, people think AI is coming, and no, AI is not coming. AI is already here, and businesses are implementing it to dominate their industry today in 2025. The businesses that don't do that, they'll be hiring virtual assistants in the Philippines, trying to make sure that they do the job, and it still won't work perfectly. They're going to be chasing after leads, chasing after clients for past due invoices. I know it because I was there. You can't scale with chaos. You can only scale with systems. So it's time to put systems in place. And what better way than to use the right tools to ensure that these systems are actually working 24/7 and without you. So you can focus on the things that grow the business, or you can focus on things that actually make you happy, like being with your family. If you want me to build this exact marketing engine for your business and ensure that it works for your specific business needs, then make sure you click the link in the description box. It's going to take you to book an appointment with me so we can do a full audit of your business and find you where those savings in time and those savings in money are. And you can actually wake up to see a bunch of leads booked and see a bunch of appointments that you didn't have to be hands-on or involved in. Tell me exactly where you're stuck, and I'll show you what you can do and what you can implement in your business to save you at least 20 hours every single week. Now, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, click the subscribe button and the little bell to make sure you get notified every time that I upload a new video. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.